Today we're gonna make some simple and easy boneless pork chops. Let's start off with our boneless pork chops. I like to pat them dry with a little bit of paper towel. Season it with some salt, freshly ground pepper, and some garlic powder. Flip it over, repeat the process all over again. Salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Set your stainless steel pan to medium-high heat. Add some olive oil, and we're gonna fry it about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Now we're gonna add some butter. We'll add some thyme and rosemary on top. Now we're gonna remove your pork. You're gonna add a little bit of cream to the pan, just a touch. Scrape the bottom of the pan to get all of that flavor. Take your sauce off the heat, place the sauce on a plate, place your pork on top, and there you have it, a simple yet delicious boneless pork chop that you can make within minutes. And if you enjoyed this simple recipe, please subscribe to my channel and check out these other great videos.